Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I'm a day late with this video, I do apologise. These were the nails that I had on before. This was the colour that I had on. It's a missubeauty colour and it was a neon orange, but I also had matte top coat over it. I absolutely loved it to bits. So I'm just filing this colour off now with my e-file, which I was very gutted to do because I did absolutely love this colour. However, I do have another colour to pop on for you to try out. It's one of the new 4-in-1 gel polishes, which I will show you in a moment. So what I'm doing here, well, after I've done this, I apply some primer to my nails. And then I apply some UVgel base coat from missubeauty. So I'm basically just doing an infill on this set of nails here. So there goes the primer just around the cuticle area. I've made sure that I've removed any lifting or anything like that. So this is the base coat. I'm just going to apply it mainly to the cuticle area of my nail. I do actually drag this down to the rest of my nail. There's no need to though, I just need to apply it to the cuticle area, as you can see. And then I pop that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds to cure. And now this is the gel that I'm using. It's a builder gel from missubeauty and it's pink. It's the one that I used in my video last week. So I just put some of this at the cuticle area and just drag it down. I used a little bit too much on my thumb here, but I wiped the excess off, which was just fine. So yeah, I went in and just popped this on each nail and then cured them in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So once this had cured, I went in and just wiped off any tacky layer with my gel residue remover, and I went in with my e-file and just smoothed the nail around the cuticle area to make sure it was all nice and flush with the cuticle. I did go off screen, I'm really sorry. It's very hard when you're filing, it's so easy to just forget that you're being filmed. So I do apologise for that. So then I buff and I buff my nails after this, ready for my gel top coat or my gel polish. So here is missubeauty's new 4-in-1 gel polish. It's called Laura, it's number 12. So what it is actually a primer, then a base coat, then a colour, then a top coat, all in one. And also you don't need to wipe off any tacky layer, so it's a non-wipe top coat as well. It's absolutely amazing. And then here is my diamond glitter that I was using as well. It's called Anthea, and it's like a pink with silver sparkly bits in it. It's absolutely amazing. So you just have to give it a stir with a cocktail stick because the glitter will have sunk to the bottom of the pot. So basically no base coat needed, no primer needed, it's all in one. So I just went in with 2 coats of this gel polish and I cured them in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And as I said, there was no tacky layer to wipe away, which is amazing. So these are their new gel polishes. They're on their website for £6 excluding VAT, and they've got about 24 colours at the moment. They are absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I love this one. It's like a pinky tone. It's absolutely lovely. So on my ring finger I used the diamond glitter, and I used my UVgel number 6 brush from missubeauty and just applied that to the whole of my nail. I cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I went in and I applied some of this to the tip of my forefinger and my middle finger as well. And then I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So here is the non-wipe top coat that I do use to apply over the diamond glitter that I popped on the nail here, which I just put on my forefinger, my middle finger and my ring finger, and I just cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I do really appreciate it, and all of your comments, they are lovely. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget, guys, I do have a 10% discount on all missubeauty products, barring the products that are done by Tony Lee and sale items. So enjoy. Bye.